It's Matrix. You gotta free your mind. It's 11:38 and 57 seconds by atomic time. It's like trading. You just gotta cover your emotions and just do it. And it's so hard to do, to disconnect your emotions from your behavior. No, don't think, Neo. Just do it. No guts, no glory. That's like my trading today. Shit. This is gold. I followed it, make a low. And I followed it up here to the 200-day moving average, where I put a Fibonacci retracement on it, which is not on the chart, but it went from here to the low. That was exactly resistance on the 61.8% fib level right across. And I saw it, I knew it was going to go down, but I didn't short it there. And there wasn't any RSI then. I saw it come down, and I had this support level once, twice, 3 times before. Then I changed the trend line that came across here and found support, exactly right there. So I had the trend line support, but then I dismissed the trend line because I didn't take it across perfect lower peaks, and I trimmed out a big section of volatility. But gold actually took a huge amount of support on that trend line that I don't have in my chart. But I can show you that over a 3-day time frame, it has this kind of an angle. Anyway, and I did notice the bullish RSI divergence. There's a low here, but RSI has not come down so low there. Then I saw it, I watched this 5-minute interval form right here. The wick comes almost right down, but I didn't click buy on the Bollinger Band. And I saw it break the pivot, which I knew was bullish, and I saw it break the high right here. So I didn't buy it at this place and this little technical breakout right here, a few pips above this last high, like thousands of other traders did. And then the bullish, it's a break in the 200-day moving average. I had so much opportunity to buy gold on the way up, $22. And here I saved this chart at 1442. Well, it actually went up to 1452. I saw this little consolidation area right here. So I had so many opportunities to buy gold today, but I didn't because I just wasn't like Neo. I just didn't have my mind set free enough. When I saw the rally in gold, I went out, and I missed this here in the S&P. It just shows you my setup. We have higher highs going up to this peak. This was the pivot level, exactly the pivot, although that line's not on my chart. And at the same time, you can see there's some bearish RSI divergence. At this high, right here, RSI is below 70%, that horizontal line. If you go back in time, momentum, relative strength index was higher in the past. So that was clear divergence on the pivot, and the S&P sold off from 38 down to 30, sold off 8 points. So that's the kind of nice setup that I missed. So I should have, well, obviously not dwelled on that mistake and just focused for the rest of the day for another 3 or 4 more hours. But I needed some exercise, and I went to the skate park, and I had fun in the skate park. So tomorrow, I'm taking a break for lunch, going for a jog, get rid of the cortisones, the stress kind of hormones, and we'll watch the market for the whole day, basically. And by atomic time, this video finishes at 11:42 and 20 seconds. Isn't this the best scene?
We have survived by hiding from them, by running from them.
No more hiding.
They are guarding all the doors.
We must beat our own demons.
Which means that sooner or later, someone is going to have to fight them. Someone.
You gotta beat yourself, man, Neo.
Every single man or woman who has stood their ground, everyone who has fought an agent has died. But where they have failed, you will succeed. I've seen an agent punch through a concrete wall.
Goodbye.
Men have emptied an